Grundfos ist einer der weltweit führenden Pumpenhersteller und seit seiner Firmengründung im Jahre 1945 für seine innovativen und zuverlässigen Lösungen bekannt. Heute produziert das Unternehmen jährlich mehr als 16 Millionen Pumpeneinheiten für eine breite Palette von Anwendungsbereichen. Von Umweltpumpen für Heizungs- und Klimaanlagen bis hin zu industriellen Pumpenlösungen für Wasserversorgung, Abwasser und Fernwärme. Das Unternehmen blickt auf eine 50-jährige Erfahrung auf dem Gebiet der Fernwärme zurück. Das skandinavische Fernwärmesystem ist weltweit das effizienteste und zuverlässigste Heizsystem und die Grundfos-Technologie ist ein stolzer Bestandteil dieses Vermächtnisses.
District cooling is not as well known as district heating, but it's based on much of the same principle. While district heating distributes hot water in an underground network of pipes, district cooling distributes cold water for cooling of buildings and industries.
The initiative was that we want to do something about the waste energy, and to do that we need to solve a problem which had been that we need some storage possibilities for the heat during the summer period. And since we have been talking about this since the 80s and we didn't solve that problem, we have seen now during the 6 or 7 last years that we actually are able to store energy in the groundwater, and that was actually the main reason for starting this project. We actually talked about two systems. The one system is the cooling with the groundwater, which we called an aquifer, where we are able to store the energy during the summer period. And the other system is the energy central, where we have the cooling machinery, which we are using during the winter time and for cooling the aquifer system again, so it will be ready for the next summer period.
Når man laver køling og varme på samtidig, så er det jo strengt taget to sider af samme sag. Så det med at lave koldt vand og distribuere, eller lave varmt vand og distribuere, det er i princippet de samme mekanismer, der går igen. Det er de samme ting, vi skal fokusere på. Jamen, pumperne de stiller en helt afgørende rolle i det her projekt, fordi da projektet er bygget op om, at vi cirkulerer koldt og varmt vand, så er det således, at hvis ikke vi kunne cirkulere det kolde og varmt vand, så fungerer et anlæg overhovedet ikke. Og dernæst så er der jo, vi har 3 kredsløb. Vi har et koldvandskredsløb, vi har et fjernvarmekredsløb, og vi har et grundvandskredsløb. Og det betyder, at man har 3 forskellige typer pumper og 3 forskellige slags pumper, som skal være egnet til hver sit formål. Og så vil det jo sige, at vi har pumper installeret på vores varmeværk, der har siddet i mange år, og mange af dem har kørt langt over 100.000 drifttimer, og de virker upåklageligt. Og det er for os at se, at når vi vælger at bruge de pumper for Grundfos, så har vi i hvert fald valgt en rigtig leverandør.
We have 3 separate cooling circuits, or rather the research facility has 3 separate cooling circuits, and we are providing cold water at 7 degrees, at 23 degrees, and then we're keeping a combined cooling and heating circuit at a constant temperature of 48 degrees. I think one reason is that they really don't want chillers out in the research facility for various reasons. They are slightly noisy, they give vibrations, that is one reason. I think the other reason is really the heat recovery option. That is what we can provide with this centralized solution.
The reason why Grundfos was chosen, they said that you have to fix the problem with sound and frequencies from the pumps.
The other really important requirement was that they don't want any vibrations from any type of equipment.
We should have pumps with over-synchronized motors and EA3 motors. They also want to have us to have a local service so we can help them if they have some problems. And they want to have a 5 years warranty of the pumps.
The Grundfos pumps are both distributing the cooling to the free cooling circuits and are also distributing the heat into the district heating system in England.
The advantages of district cooling ranges from the obliterated need for expensive and complicated equipment based at the customers to the use of free cooling, often done with deep lakes or deep oceans. Finally, a huge advantage in district cooling system is that you can achieve much higher efficiency, either from the large chiller based at the district cooling plant or by the use of excess heat from industries and power production by the use of absorption chillers.
Für die meisten Anwendungen eignet sich am besten eine drehzahlgesteuerte Pumpe. Da die Nachfrage je nach Tageszeit umso mehr je nach entsprechender Jahreszeit variiert, deckt ein unterschiedlicher Fluss genau den Bedarf. Egal ob die Pumpe in der Wärmeerzeugungsquelle, in der Station oder im Haus installiert ist. Die richtige Pumpe garantiert Energieeinsparung und kann den benötigten Druck und Fluss automatisch einstellen. Und zwar kein Bar oder Kubikmeter mehr.